to be the first Indian Prime Minister to speak to you in this iconic Red House. They proudly call themselves daughter of the Indian diaspora. They take the people of this country for their wisdom and vision for peace, the newly elected members of this august House. Special greetings to Prime Minister Kamalaji for forming the government once again of the friendship and trust between our two nations. Tabla made the steel pan. Together we achieved highest national award. I accept it. The ancestral ties between our two nations. Respect for women is deeply rooted in Indian culture. To become our president, women will decide the destiny and direction of the nation. And our priority will always be the global South. Highest number of real-time digital payments in the world. Tobago will be a priority nation for us. Will support your agro industry. Differently able citizens here. There are no limits to our cooperation with you. Guided by your needs and priorities. Vaccine and medicines to over 150 countries. To give the global South its rightful seat at the right table. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.